I am the head of innovation at the Galician Radio and Television Corporation, which is the public service media in the northwest of Spain. Galician public media is focusing on technological innovation to improve our public service values. With this project, we believe that we can drive interesting educational projects to be relevant in Galician society. This project fits with our vision, and we believe it is part of the next generation of public media. I only came to support Esteban and his project, and over to you.
Thank you, Esther. Well, now I start to speak of more technical part. As Esther says, we come from a small part of Spain. Galicia is in the north of Spain, near Portugal, and we are a small TV. And also we have several troubles because we don't have a very high budget. And for example, in this moment, we are trying to put holograms in our TV to make possible the transmedia. But we have the very, very difficult challenge in this moment. First of all, we need a lot of money. As you know, it's expensive. Okay? Also, we need personnel that has a very high level of skills. That is so complicated in this moment. Also, the learning curve of all these new technologies are so high. As you know it, in this moment, the technology runs a lot, and we don't run, we are crawling in this moment. And it's difficult to the people. Also, we can have very difficult technical demands. For example, the global accessibility, the minimal latency, the high volumetric cameras also, and the 5G. In our region, the 5G are implemented, but no has enough coverage in this moment. For this, we try to enable new business models. Which is our challenge overview? Okay, we want to create a new photorealistic, scalable, and interactive 3D experience. The main difference is the part of the photorealistic. At the end, as you know, for example, you can work with Meta, for example, but the people is like a cartoon. This is not good enough. In this moment, we need to do in a more photorealistic way. For this, we can have different objectives. First of all, the volumetric capture. Also, we need to use artificial intelligence, but not generative AI. We need to compress part of the power compression. Also, we need the seamless integration because we have different vendors, a lot of different hardware. Also, the high band switch and the low latency, and the immersive user experience. This is the most important thing to do this possible. Also, we can need the 3D-based application and services, and where is the innovation? The part of the volumetric capture, the part of the photorealistic also, the compression, the transmit all this size of the data because we need a lot of bandwidth to do that. Also, for this, the low latency is primordial for us. And also, the solutions that we will explore, the photorealistic rendering techniques, the utilization of machine learning algorithms for the 3D video compression, and the development of the scalable and interoperable operations. We have the champions. Here is Esther, but also we have for another different point of view. For example, Skillsoft is a prize that they work with e-learning platforms. This is also important for them. And also we have the different participants in this moment. Tesla is my company, but don't worry, we don't speak with Elon. Also, we have Mardibach, is a UK company that made video games also. Lux Experience is a company from Galicia that made cultural heritage with 3D, etc. And Boga, that is another Spain company. And the wish list, everybody. At the end, is a complex project. In this moment, we are working on it. We have, in this moment, enough knowledge to do that. But for us, it's so important made together with the people, because nobody can do this kind of projects that are so complicated alone. I think it is better that we can do approach collaborative with everybody. And for this, everybody is welcome to speak with us. We are in the 11th table. Part of the universities, quantities, the hardware expertise, video games, everybody's welcome. And the industry vision and the impact, okay, the innovation about the improved user engagement, because this is so interesting. For this, we can put a new standard for immersive telepresences. For this, we can create new opportunities for collaboration productivity. That is so important, for example, for companies like my company that work here in UK and also we work in Spain. And the immersive experiences, that is so important. And also, we can have a very high social impact. Obviously, the virtual telepresence enable us, for example, the decreasing the footprint carbon, because we don't need to travel to do this kind of things. And also, for example, we can enable individuals to represent themselves as they self-perceive. This is so interesting also because in this moment, as you know, a lot of people has troubles with this. And also, we can promote sustainable practice. And this is all. Thank you, everybody.